What's up? This your boy, Murdock29. Here with another topic we're going to talk about today. Today, we're going to talk about the meaning of income tax refund. This is going to be a short, swift, quick video. And it's a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer video. But it'll have a lot of people that don't think about these things thinking about these things, okay? But you know already, I'm going to say what I want. And if you don't like it, fuck you. But I don't know who wouldn't like this because a lot of people feel the same way I'm going to feel. Alright, you work, they take income tax from you, federal, state tax, right? But I'm not going to talk about the state tax here for the sake of that's what they take less from. They don't take as much state tax as they do federal tax. I'm going to talk about the Mr. IRS here. Now, and allude to what you've been seeing on TV, the incident, flying, the guy flew the plane to the building. You can understand why people have a distaste or dislike for this company, because it's like a legal company that's illegal. It's like a legal company that's taking money from people, and unlawfully doing it, but they say it's the law. But what I can't understand is the Supreme Court, that no one wants to show where it says in the books where you must pay income tax. I'm not gonna really get too much into this topic like that. I'm just gonna get into what a refund is supposed to really mean. You know, think about it. You lend somebody, let's say you lend your friend $5,000, and he has to pay you back in April. You gave him a deadline to pay you back, right? And he gives you only $500 back, and you say, wait a minute, I lent you $5,000 of my money. How come you only giving me back $500? Where's the other $4,500? And you keep asking him and asking him and asking him, and he doesn't even return your calls. He has no answer for you. So it's kind of like that. Think about it. You make $80,000 a year. The more money you make, the more they take. Still, even if you make less, they still take a nice little chunk of your money. You say you make $80,000 a year, they take what $25,000, $30,000 off out of that. They take from you in taxes, I believe, right? Yeah, just about. Let's just say they take $20,000 out of your 80 grand that you supposed to make. They take $20,000 a year from you. You see, that's what I'm saying about working for other people and getting salary, because it's guaranteed money, but then it's like you still get stiffed in the end, because it's like what your salary is, you don't really make it. It sounds nice and stuff. Oh, I make $100,000 a year, and you really making $60,000 a year. You know what I'm saying? So it's stupid, but that's the way it is. But my gripe is, if you're taking $20,000 from my income, hence the word income, right? Income. You're taking $20,000 from the federal side of it, right? How come when it's tax time, when it's refund time, hence the word refund, tax refund, right? The most you get back, what, $6 grand? If you have a kid to claim, and you better be glad you lucky to get that back, right? Okay, well, if I get back, let's say I get back $5,000, where's the other $15,000? If you took $20,000 of my paycheck from me during the whole 12-month period from the federal government, then where's the rest of my money? Where's the rest of my cash? Tell me that. Where's the rest of the money? Where does it go? It's not coming back in my pocket, because I have to file and blah blah blah. I'll file for an income tax return to only get back $5 grand. That makes a lot of sense. Hey IRS, I got a quick suggestion. Instead of calling it income tax return, why don't you call it Part income tax return, because you only get part of it back. You don't get back your whole income tax that they took from you. This is where the thing makes no sense. I go online, I try to search for answers. I don't see no questions on it. No one answers these questions. No one asks questions. It's like it's okay. Just rob me for my other 15 grand and spend it, or and then put it in your pocket, or whatever you guys do with it. Which I think I have a couple of theories. What they do is pay off this fucking debt that we got. Could be one of the reasons why it's like that. But hey, man, it ain't got nothing to do with me. You know what I'm saying? You got all year to take that money that you took from me and do what you got to do with it. Don't tell me it goes to the roads and everything, because if it goes to the roads and everything, you wouldn't be. The roads would look as fucked up as the way they do sometimes. You know, the government is full of shit. They always have been full of shit, and they always will be full of shit as long as we stand for it. You know, that's the most no-brainer. That question is like such a no-brainer, because it doesn't take a mathematician to figure that out. That if I give you 2 sticks, and you tell me you're gonna give me back my 2, you're gonna give me back a refund. How come you only give me 1 stick? Makes no sense, man. Absolutely no sense in that. Just call it the federal half tax return, or the federal part tax return, income tax return, because you don't get the remainder. They don't even explain to you where it went. Just like you have to explain to them everything. They don't explain to you where your rest of your money went. They don't send you no kind of a form explaining the expenditures, do they? How creepy is that? Think about it. It's Murdock29. Bang, bang. See y'all.